APSC PYQA Part Z Year 2023 Question number 88 to 100 Paper 1 General Studies Apnalokok Swagatam. Question number 88. Consider the following statement regarding the Jal Jeevan Mission JJM1. The program includes research and reuse through grey water management, water conservation and rainwater harvesting. 2. It is a demand-driven scheme with strong emphasis on Jan Bhagidari, community engagement as a crucial pillar of the project. 3. The United Nations Office for Project Services UNOPS is collaborating with the Denmark government to support the mission in Uttar Pradesh. 4. An average of 29 million people will be employed annually during the mission's construction phase. Select the correct statement or statement using the codes given below. A. 1 only, B. 1 and 2 only, C. 2 and 3 only, D. 1, 2, 3 and 4 only. The answer is D. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 89. Consider the following statements. 1. MV Ganga Vilas is world's longest river cruise covering over 51 days across 2 countries, 5 states and 27 river systems. 2. Prime Minister Narendra Modi flagged off the cruise from Varanasi on 30th January 2023. 3. The international cruise is being offered by Antara Luxury River Cruises, who is operating since 2009. 4. The cruise culminated its journey on 28 February in Sadia. Select the incorrect statement using the codes given below. A. 2 only, B. 4 only, C. 1 and 3 only, D. 2 and 3 only. The correct answer is B. 4 only. Question number 90. Which of the following dramas or Ankiya Nats was or were not composed by Shankardev? 1. Kaliya Daman, 2. Patni Prasada, 3. Keligopal, 4. Arjun Bhanjan. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 and 3 only, B. 2 only, C. 2 and 3 only, D. 4 only. The answer is D. 4 only. Question number 91. India celebrated her 75th Republic Day on 26 January 2024. Which of the following statement is or are not correct about the celebration of the Republic Day 2024? 1. The parade was held on Kartavya Path. 2. The theme of the 75th Republic Day was Vikshit Bharat and Bharat Lokatantra ki Matruka. 3. The three statement which presented tableaux from Northeast India were Meghalaya, Manipur and Nagaland. 4. ISRO presented the historic lunar landing of Chandrayaan 3 at the parade. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A. 1 only, B. 3 only, C. 2 and 4 only, D. 1 and 3 only. The correct answer is B. 3 only. Question number 92. All the Assam Vaibhav, Assam Saurabh and Assam Gaurav awardees are offered certain benefits or facilities. Which of the following is or are correct are not included in the list of benefits? 1. They will get free medical treatment in government hospital and stay in paying cabins wherever available. 2. They will be provided free accommodation in state government circuit houses, guest houses and Assam Bhavans. 3. They will be regular invites for all the official functions as the distinguished guest. 4. The government of Assam will provide them up to 5.5 lakh rupees 5 lakh for medical expenses towards the treatment of critical diseases. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A, 2 and 3 only, B, 3 and 4 only, C, 1 and 3 only, D, 4 only. The correct answer is D, 4 only. Question number 93. Consider the following statement. 1. NISAR is a low Earth orbit observatory being jointly developed by ISRO and NASA. 2. NISAR is a low Earth orbit observatory being jointly developed by ISRO and European Space Agency. 3. The objective of NISAR is to co-develop and launch a dual frequency synthetic aperture RADAR radar on an Earth observation satellite. 4. NISAR is planned to be launched in 2024. Select the correct statement using the codes given below. A, 1 and 3 only, B, 2 and 3 only, C, 1 and 4 only, D, 1, 3 and 4 only. The correct answer is D, 1, 3 and 4 only. Question number 94. Consider the following statement. 1. Indian solar mission Aditya L1 has been placed in halo orbit around Sun Earth Lagrange point 1. 2. Lagrange points are positions of equilibrium for a small object under the gravitational pull of two massive orbiting bodies. 3. There are 5 Lagrange points for the Sun-Earth system. 4. There are 5 Lagrange points for the Earth-Moon system also. Select the correct statement using the codes given below. A, 1 only, B, 1 and 2 only, C, 1, 2 and 3 only, D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The answer is D, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Question number 95. In the interim union budget 2024, the finance minister mentioned 4 specific group of population to focus on. Which of the following is or are not in the list? 1. Poor, 2. Women, 3. Entrepreneur, 4. Youth. Select the correct answer using codes given below. A, 1 only, B, 2 and 4 only, C, 3 only, D, 3 and 4 only. The correct answer is C, 3. The correct answer is C, 3 only. Question number 96. Consider the following statements. 1. In computer parlance, a cookie is a malicious computer virus. 2. A computer parlance, a cookie is a small piece of text sent by a website to internet browser. 3. Internet cookies are used by banking website only. 4. Internet cookies help the website to remember the client's visit to the website. Select the correct statement or statement using the codes given below. A, 1 only, B, 2 only, C, 2 and 3 only, D, 2 and 4 only. The answer is D, 2 and 4 only. Question number 97. What is or are the factor or factors that had or have prompted the colonial ruler in initiative jute cultivation in Brahmaputra Valley? 1. Saturation of land suitable for jute in Bengal. 2. High demand of jute in the world market. 3. Abundant labor supply in Brahmaputra Valley. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A, 1 only, B, 2 and only, C, 1 and 2 only, D, 1, 2 and 3 only. The answer is C, 1 and 2 only. Question number 98. Which of the following characteristics make a braided river different from a meandering river of similar features? 1. Wider and shallower. 2. Transport high sediment load. 3. Erodes riverbanks rapidly. 4 deeper. Just select the correct answer using the codes given below. A 1, 2 and 3 only. B 1, 2 and 4 only. C 1, 3 and 4 only. D 2, 3 and 4 only. The answer is A 1, 2 and 3 only. Question number 99. In which of the following satras in Assam the religious only? The answer is A 1, 2 and 3 only. Question number 99. In which of the following satras in Assam the religious head Satradhikar is elected? 1. Anuyati, 2. Dokhinpat, 3. Kamalabari, 4. Barpeta. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A 1 and 2 only. B 1 and 3 only. C 3 only. D 4 only. The correct answer is D 4 only. Barpeta. Question number 100. As per the tripartite memorandum of settlement signed between the Government of India, Government of Assam with representative of United Liberation Front of Assam (ULFA) on 29th December 2023, which of the following will not be set up in Assam? 1. Indian Institute of Management. 2. School of Planning and Architecture. 3. Indian Institute of Science. 4. Indian Institute of Science, Education and Research. Select the correct answer using the codes given below. A 1 only. B 2 and 4 only. C 3 only. 4 C 3 only. D 3 and 4 only. The correct answer is C. The correct answer is C 3 and 4 only. Thank you for watching my video.